Hi, I am Carmen. I am the nurse in charge of Mrs. Mamuji, 64 years old female, from room 1. Arrived from PACU at 13:30. Received with IVF of LR 100 ml per hour with contraption of Jackson Pratt on left axilla and urinary catheter to be taken out tomorrow. She is under the service of Dr. Chen. She undergone modified radical mastectomy left breast with resection of lymph nodes this morning, accompanied by her husband. The patient had history of hypertension. At 15:30, she complained of 8 out of 10 pain scale. She attempted PCA 6 times and feeling of nauseated. Physician was informed and ordered new medication of ondansetron 4 mg every 8 hours, PRN for nausea, and morphine for initial dose 3 mg, for intermittent dose 2 mg, for lock period 15 minutes, with maximum of 1 hour dose 4 mg. Mrs. Mamuji was on PCA, but following on episodes of respiratory depression due to opioid overdose with respiratory rate of 6 cycles per minute, only 1 dose of naloxone was needed. Physician was informed and will visit shortly to reevaluate the patient. She is currently awake and alert with respiratory rate of 16 cycles per minute and SpO2 of 95% at room air, and pain of 3 out of 10. Continue monitor vital signs, especially RR and pain level closely. Ensure naloxone is available in a case of recurrence of respiratory depression.